In today's video, I am going to teach you how to write with Squarespace AI. Squarespace AI is designed to help you create written content directly inside the areas where you already work on your website. Instead of starting from a blank page, you can use it to generate a first draft for things like page text, blog content, or product descriptions. The important thing to remember is that the AI gives you a draft, not a final replacement for your own review. You will still want to read through the result and make sure it matches your tone, your brand, and the purpose of the page. To begin, open the Squarespace page, post, or product area where you want to add or improve text. Then click into a supported text area. This could be a text block on a website page, the body of a blog post, or a product description field. Once your cursor is inside the text area, Squarespace knows where you want the generated writing to appear or where you want to work with text. Take a moment to make sure you are clicked into the correct place before moving forward. This is useful because the AI writing tool is connected to the text editor you are using. If you are working on a product page, for example, click inside the product description area. If you are writing a blog post, click inside the blog content area. This helps keep your workflow organized and prevents you from adding text in the wrong section. After you have selected the supported text area, look at the text toolbar that appears. In that toolbar, find the icon that looks like 3 circles, or in some versions, a lightning bolt. This is the control that opens the Squarespace AI writing feature. Click that icon to bring up the AI writing options. Once the AI tool opens, you will be able to choose a prompt. Squarespace may provide pre-built starters, such as paragraph, sales pitch, or blurb. These are helpful when you want a quick structure and do not want to write a detailed instruction from scratch. For example, a paragraph option can help create general website copy, while a sales pitch can be useful when you want text that feels more promotional. A blurb can be helpful for something short and simple. You can also type your own specific request into the prompt field. This is useful when you already know what you want the AI to write about. The more clear and focused your request is, the more useful the draft is likely to be. You can describe the topic, the purpose of the text, or the type of content you want. Keep the request direct and related to the text area you are working in. When your prompt is ready, click Write. Squarespace AI will generate a draft based on the prompt you selected or typed. Give it a moment to produce the text, then read through the output carefully. This review step is important because the generated text should fit your needs before you use it on your site. As you review the draft, check that it says what you intended, uses the right tone, and makes sense for the page, blog post, or product description. Make sure the content is accurate, clear, and appropriate for your visitors. If the writing fits your needs, you can use it as your starting point for that section. If it needs improvement, use your judgment to refine the content so it better matches your website. That covers everything you need to know.